Hello everyone. This video is about the differences between IPv4 and IPv6. Before going to the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's go to the video.
What is the IP address?
The word IP stands for Internet Protocol. An IP address is a numeric label assigned to every device in a network to communicate with each other devices by using IP. This numeric label is unique for a particular device in a particular computer network. The IPv4 and the IPv6 are two different versions of IP addresses.
So, what is IPv4?
The origin of the IP addresses is done by introducing the IPv4. It was introduced to the ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Network, in 1983. This version can provide 2 to the power 32 number of IP addresses. This IP version has covered over 4 billion devices as well.
So what is IPv6?
The latest version of the IP address is IPv6. This version can provide 2 to the power 128 amount of IP addresses for the devices. The main reason for introduce this version of IP is to expand the number of IP addresses.
So what are the differences between these two IP versions?
IPv4 can provide 2 to the power 32 number of IP addresses, but IPv6 can provide 2 to the power 128 number of IP addresses. IPv4 represents a numeric IP address, but IP6 represents alphanumeric IP addresses. IPv4 separated IP address by a dot, but IPv6 addresses are separated by a semicolon. There are more differences between IPv4 and IPv6. The reference link is in the description for more references to you all. Thanks for watching. Please share.